Hi my loves, it's your girl Naila Ayan and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to have you back again with me on another Good Friday. Welcome. The sun is shining outside. I see my window over here is looking beautiful. I hope that the weather is good by you. I love good weather. If it's not, I hope this video gives you a little sunshine. Alright, but without further ado, as you see in the title, today I am bringing you all a Fashion Nova haul, turquoise edition, honey. Okay, I'm going to be bringing you 4 very cute turquoise pieces. One might be a little mix of colors, but either way, I'm going to be talking about the sizes, the pricing, payment, shipping, my views on the clothes, the fabric, all the good stuff that you want to know before you're ordering clothes from a big site like Fashion Nova. All right, and Fashion Nova is honestly the bomb.com. They did not disappoint your girl, okay? So, without further ado, we're going to get into this video. But beforehand, I just want to say welcome to all who are new. Welcome, and also those who are coming back. Welcome, welcome. If you are new, please hit the subscribe button. And for everybody, like, comment, turn on your notification bell. All right, hit the share button. All that good stuff helps me and it helps our channel grow, and everything is always appreciated that you all are doing. All right, so continue to help your girl out. All right, so without further ado, let's get into some looks, honey.
Supermodel, work it, girl. Be the world. Wet your lips and make love to the camera.
Alright, we're going in with the Draw the Line Windbreaker short set. This is $13.98 on Fashion Nova's website. I will say the color is not true to color. It's more of a blue than a turquoise, but absolutely quality fabric, okay? Absolutely love it. I'm wearing a medium. It is definitely true to size, but I will say if you don't want your shorts, you know, fitted, definitely go up a size if that is your preference, but it is true to size, okay? We're getting into the Technicolor tie-dye romper for $39.99. Absolutely love this piece. It gives you sexy but classy. The material is really well done, so you're not worrying about your butt moving all over the place or panty lines showing. Okay, you get a little party in the front and in the back. As you see here, these ties you can take down and pair the top and bottom with other pieces, which I think is so beneficial for the price of $39.99. And look at the color. Come on, stunt, sis. One of my favorite pieces. Yes, let's get into this dress. But first, drop me a comment. I need some comments. All right, continuing. Adapt to Change Ranch mini dress is a medium for $28, y'all. Beautiful satin mini dress. Ranch in the back, which honestly, if you didn't know, ranch is good if you need a little help back there in the buttocks area, okay? But beautiful blooming sleeves, and the gold chain is gorgeous, but I broke mine. Be careful, it is flimsy. Getting into the bathing suit, this is the Mermaid Dream one-piece metallic swimsuit in medium, $28, and the Sun Soak oversized cover up, which is $13.99 that I paired that with. All right, the cover up is definitely in my opinion can be bigger if it's oversized, so it is a little fitted. I would go up a size and not say true to size. And the bathing suit is definitely not true to size. Their bathing suits do run smaller, so definitely get a size larger than what you are, just so that it can fit properly. But other than that, the material is excellent, easy to wash, doesn't tarnish.
When you hear Fashion Nova, what's that first thing that comes to your head?
Hot girls. You know, I think that when you wear Fashion Nova, you just look good.
Marketing geniuses, let me tell you, because they got everybody wearing their clothes.
This is Fashion Nova right here. This is Fashion Nova.
My final notes, they have quad pay, okay? So if you need to get cute on a budget, you can sign up for quad pay, get your fits, and then pay later. They also are not affected by Corona. I got my shipping right on time, which is so important when you're trying to look cute in a hurry, okay? Hope y'all enjoyed. This concludes today's video, my loves. I hope that you all enjoyed the content, okay? Love the turquoise touch, and then maybe you'll be inspired to get these fits or some more from Fashion Nova, because they are the bomb.com, like I said earlier, okay? But anyways, enjoy your weekend, spread love, be light, enjoy your loved ones, stay safe. Corona is real. Don't be in group events, y'all. All right, stay safe. And yeah, come back to see me next Friday. We are having a Fashion Nova shoe haul. Get your shoes ready, get your coins ready. All right, until next time, my loves, enjoy yourselves.